All right, here's a good question. You're asked to reduce this rational expression to lowest term. So I need to factor top and bottom. I think correctly you found that 4 will go into everything in the top. So that would leave you with r squared plus 6r plus 4, that's 8. And then you could factor that to 4 times r plus 2 and r plus 4. Is that right? R squared, 6r. Yeah, that's right. Over, and then you can factor 16 out of everything here, so it'd be r squared minus r minus 20, I think. Okay, now to factor that bottom, I've got to get two things that multiply to 20 and have a difference of minus 1. So that would be r, I think, minus 5 and r plus 4. You can check that. But then the r plus 4s will cancel. And also, the 16, I could cancel the 16 and the 4. You can think of it this way. 16 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times r minus 5. So the 4s, that's a factor of 1 that you can cancel out. And so you'd be left with r plus 2 over 4 times r minus 5. Yeah, good question. So probably the only thing you were missing is factoring that bottom part out, and then the 4 and the 6.